In the meantime, the matter has been brought to the attention of the Jamaica Public Service JPS. It is to be determined if the pole belongs to the utility company, so the right course of action can follow. Digicel's technical team is also making checks. Once verified, the company will provide an update and take the necessary action.
To St. Ann now, because more than a month after Hurricane Melissa tore through Cave Valley in the parish, the community is still digging out of what residents say is the worst flooding in living memory. Sandy Williams has this primetime news follow-up.
8 days. That's how long it's been since Lilith returned to the place she once called home and found a nightmare waiting for her. Like many residents in Cave Valley, she'd fled to higher ground, well aware of the toxic love affair between the community and rising waters. But nothing, not even years of experience with flooding, could have prepared her for what Hurricane Melissa left behind.
Oh, Jesus, have mercy. You see, if one man and I look me and never interested in him, and he have a house, I would have interested in him the morning when I just come over my house. Because mud, water.
In Cave Valley, disasters are measured in Ivans, but Melissa shattered that tape measure.
We always talk about Ivan, because that's what we know about as the highest flood in the Cave Valley. This water come more than 6 feet higher than Ivan.
With Melissa gone, Cave Valley is digging itself out literally, but the price of recovery is falling on the residents' shoulders.
Cost you. As a man take up a broom, you have to pay him. Everything you do, you have to pay them. The first money I pay for go back over my house at $12,000. I have to pay one truck man for cut back the road, because mud take over the road completely.
Her shop, once a popular breakfast stop, now sits silent, another casualty of the storm she never saw coming. Every cent she earns is going back into trying to reclaim her home, but some residents had no home to reclaim at all.
My house blew off. I have to catch a James Hill of one of my daughters.
And for others, Melissa didn't just destroy, she took life.
Him named Desmond. He lost his life. Unfortunately, for whatever reason, him choose to safety houses around there. Him grown after the storm, thinking everything over. And lock up, look like him fall asleep on the water. When the drown come, the house was covered.
Yet, even in the rubble, resilience refuses to die. Adassa Hall, homeless but unbroken, now pushes a trolley through the community, selling whatever produce she managed to salvage.
Well, I sell one and tree. And I sell the Irish. Yeah, I sell the Irish. Tree, if I get 4, I take it. Normal, I sell carrot, 3. Ginger, I sell like $300 for ginger. Yeah. Like the sweet pepper, we sell the sweet pepper for $1,000 a pound.
Businesses have collapsed. Christmas, usually a season of color and community, now looks painfully bleak.
No business are really going inside. We're not on Christmas at Cave Valley this year, no Christmas.
Christmas now, I used to sell like milk fruit and buy milk seasoning stuff and sell same stuff. Yeah, but now, can't go do it again because ground damage, I sow everything. I just start sow back little seeds, so I'm not catching it back until say January.
Still, in a community where water has taken so much, hope continues to flow, slowly but surely. Residents believe that by February, Cave Valley will rise again. Sandy Williams, TVJ News.